You don't have to stress about anything, to be honest. Interview, what should we study? What is the questions asked? I felt like, oh, maybe I'm not going to be selected because I didn't answer it. But then I got selected. Admission process is very simple, to be honest. If you couldn't attend your first interview, it's totally fine. I don't recommend hostel. You should be lucky enough, you should be prepared, and you should be lucky enough to be placed somewhere. Hello guys, it's me Anamika, and I'll be answering the most common questions I get asked about Christu Jayanti University by you guys. So the first most common question is about the admission process. So we start, the admission process is very simple, to be honest. You don't have to stress a lot about it. Just go to the Christu Jayanti website. I'll be typing it here for you guys. So yeah, that website over here, you have to go click it, and then when you click it, it will be clearly mentioned there, admission open 2026 to 2027 or 2027 to 2028 in the side one bar over here. So you have to click that, and when you click that, you can see all the things like, you know, which class, like if you want BB, you can choose BB. If you want BCom, you can choose BCom, and you have to just apply for it. And then you will get a Gmail, and they will give you a scheduled time for your interview. And if you pass that interview, you will get another Gmail saying that you passed. And when you pass, you will get another Gmail about the fees and document submission. So you have to pay the half fees, like 50% of your first year fees when you already passed the interview. So about the admission process again, website, you have to click, and then you have to apply for what you want, the course, and then you will get a Gmail regarding your interview. And if you pass an interview, you will get another Gmail regarding your fees and documents. It's that simple, nothing much to like complicated and anything happening here. That's it. The other main question, like very, very common question that I get asked by so much of you guys, is about the interview. What should we study? What is the questions asked? So I'll tell you about the interview. It's not going to be same for everyone. I'm a BBA student. It won't be same for BCom students. The question is, they will ask you to take some things like maybe Aadhaar card or PAN card. For me, they told me to take Aadhaar card or PAN card. I forgot which one. And they asked me to show it, like the real ID proof. And they asked my name. So first of all, you have to study a very nice introduction of yourself. Introduce yourself. So they might ask that question. And the other thing is, they'll ask just basic question, like I was a BBA student and I was from a science background, so they asked me what is accounting. To be honest, I didn't know what was accounting. I was from a science background. I just answered one thing, I'm sorry, I'm from science background, I don't know. That's it. And they asked me so many other questions. I was just done. I felt like, oh, maybe I'm not going to be selected because I didn't answer it, but then I got selected. Yay! You don't have to study the whole BBA syllabus or whatever. But just be prepared according to your course, because it was like that till last year. I don't know what's going to happen like from next year. So yeah, just be prepared, but don't stress. Just be confident. They'll check your communication skill. Like they'll check how well you speak. Like don't be like hesitate, like no. You have to be confident, and your communication skill should be perfect. If you were from a commerce background, just learn something basic from your 11th and 12th. If science, also same thing. Whatever you're taking, same thing. And just know something about Christu Jayanti, like some little knowledge about KJU. And also, if you couldn't attend your first interview, it's totally fine, because I couldn't too. And I Gmailed them and I asked them again. I couldn't attend due to it was very rainy over there in my area that day. So I told them I couldn't attend because of a net problem, and they gave me another scheduled interview, and I could attend that. So yeah, you don't have to worry. You just have to Gmail them if you have any problem. That's it. And also in the interview, you should be well dressed. Don't be wearing something bad like a night dress. Yeah, maybe like, you know, whatever you're wearing in your house, like wake up in the morning and be like, oh wait, I have an interview, I'll just go attend. No, be prepared. Like mentally prepare yourself to just dress nicely, very formal. Simple as that is, we are done with the first topic, that is admission process and interview. Next topic. So the next topic is hostel and PG. So about the hostel and PG, I don't recommend hostel. Because I'm so sorry, because they have so much restriction. Hostels are like, you can't go out after 7. That's a little bit early, no? It's fine if you have strict parents. Hostel is the best option. It's okay, don't worry. First year you go and stay at hostel. Second year you move to PG. Okay, that's what most of the people do. And third year they go to apartment, or maybe like third year they still live in PG. Okay. So basic thing you need to know about hostel and PG. Yeah, I'll try doing different PGs, and I'll ask them and I'll show you guys different PGs from now on after this video is uploaded. Hostel, I don't think I can go and show you guys, but I'll try. I'll see. So and it refers like the fees is not same in every hostel and every PGs. But then there is so much PG and so much hostel, you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to come like one day before and be like, can I have a PG? Let's search for a PG. You will get so much, because I came 1 week before, and the day I arrived here itself, I got my PG like straight. I'm like, yeah, I'll go there, and I'm still living there. I am very happy about my place because it's not bad. It's like peaceful. It's nice. It's and so much people ask me about where I live, and also so much people came where I live and still asking me. There are so much people still asking me, can I know where you live? So yeah, it's okay. You can meet me, guys. I'll be there in my room. So yeah, in PGs and hostel, they'll provide most of the things, like there'll be security, there'll be drinking water, there'll be mess. Mess is not, maybe you will get mess in your hostel or PGs, but then you will get fed up of it after like 2-3 months. So there is so many messes outside the college area, like you have to come outside and eat. So you can try different mess, different months, like maybe 3-month gap. That's what I'm doing, like 3-month gap. I'm just trying new messes, because I'm just fed up of the same food eating for like 3 years. Yeah. So I did try most of the messes here, I guess. I have so much more to try. Let's see if I can within the next 1 year. So guys, the PG and hostel is outside the college. It's nothing is inside the college. The college is just like college. Nothing is inside the college. Everything is outside. Like the hostel, PGs, everything is outside. And the mess, it starts from, you can just include breakfast, lunch, dinner, or you can like exclude one of this, or like any 2 of this. It starts from 3K, 4K to 5K. That's it. It won't go 6K, 7K, I think. PG and apartments is more cheaper and less restrictions compared to hostels. So yeah, you can choose whatever you want. My PG has like a lounge too upstairs, and it's like 6 floors. My PG is like having like 4-5 buildings now. So I will be doing a video about my PG. I'll be asking my ma'am, because she's nice. Yeah, she's so nice. You can just come to my PG. I'm doing a promotion for my PG, I feel. Okay, so yeah, and I'll be doing a different video about hostel and PG. And if you have some doubt about hostel and PG, you can still ask in the comments. I'll be replying. I just can't get another questions right now in my mind. So you can just comment if you have any questions. So the next topic is about the placement. I get asked that too. Placement. I'm a second year student, guys. I don't know much about placement, but I did ask my seniors, and I will tell you guys about it. So about placement, you will be having placement third year. Third year means my next year, this coming academic year. I've heard that they will third year starting itself, they will tell like to apply and all, and then you'll be added to a group, WhatsApp group, and then you will I don't know much about placement, guys. I'm so sorry, I just don't know. But then I know that there is so much placements coming in this college. There are people who got placed like different places from this college itself, so you don't have to be stressed. But you should be lucky enough, you should be prepared, and you should be lucky enough to be placed somewhere. It's like not an easy job, like it doesn't take people who are very good. It's about your skills and all. Make sure you don't get arrears, because if you get that, it will be very hard for you to get placed somewhere. They don't entertain people who get so many arrears in college. So, and so much good companies come to the college for placements, like so much good companies. Third year is like a very running race wala type thing, because you have to be placed somewhere. So guys, we covered the main topics of the main questions that people ask me. Now I'll just give you general information like the classroom studies, faculties and all. So uniform too, KJU Decorum. It's very important that boys should be groomed. No beard, no this thing, goatee, yeah, no goatee. Mustache is allowed, I guess. Wow. And haircut proper, no big hair like this for boys. It's not allowed. I'm so sorry. It's not my problem. It's not allowed. And for girls, you have to wear dupatta. You have to wear dupatta means you have to wear dupatta. In class, you can just sometimes, hide by just wearing this jacket and be like, oh, ma'am, it's in my bag. But then, do tell my name. You have to.
Bad influence,
yeah. Just wear dupatta, please, guys. And no skirts allowed. No skirts allowed. No short skirts allowed. No ripped jeans allowed. No like t-shirt with bad things allowed. So there are some shirts with inappropriate words, so you are not supposed to wear that. And for girls, as I told, skirts not allowed, frocks not allowed, gowns not allowed. No, it's not allowed. You just make sure don't bring your skirts. Don't bring your. You can bring your skirts, like if you want to go outside the college, but you can't enter the college with skirts. Chumma skirts, so short skirts, ripped jeans not allowed, crop tops not allowed. Crop tops not allowed, guys. I'm so sorry, it's not allowed. You have to wear your dupatta, it's important. And formal day, you will be having uniform once in a week. For me, it's Wednesday. You have to wear an uniform on Wednesday and come with the black shoe, like the black proper shoe, not chappal. No, don't wear colorful chappal and come. We have to be proper that day. Formal. Formal is complete formal, guys. Monday to Wednesday is formal, and Wednesday is a uniform day. And then Thursday to Friday I have class. Second year and third years have class on Friday, but first year doesn't have. Not Friday, Saturday. Third year and second years have class on Saturday, but then first year doesn't have class on Saturday. But then you will be having second year and third year Saturday classes. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday you can wear casual dress, but then others should be formal. And formal means well groomed too. It includes KJU decorum. Next, attendance. Attendance also is very important. You have to maintain your attendance, guys. You have to have 75% to attend your exam. Not even 74.99 is entertained in this college. Show me, no. Yeah, attendance is very important. Make sure you get all the attendance you needed. Like if you have OD and all, no, just tell them you need your OD. OD means on duty, like you will be having class, but then you will be outside doing some other work, so you will get OD for that. So make sure you have attendance 75% every year, above 75%. If you get 85 though, it's like 5 marks for extra 5. They said something like that. If you get above 90 and all, it's like very good. But then you don't have to. You can skip college life.
So they get extra marks.
Yeah, you will get extra mark if you get like 90 plus and all. But then you can skip. It's like college life. Don't be like
be a good influence.
Okay, bye. Be a good influence. But then it's fine. You can skip. It's a college life. But just be above 75%. Next is about the faculty. Faculties are all good. Everyone is fun, I guess. If you have any problem with them, you can go talk to them personally in their cabin, at staff room. It will be in every floor. Yeah, nothing much to talk about faculties. And the notes. I had this question when I was watching the videos of KJU people doing this thing interview. I had this doubt. What about the notebook? Do we have notebook? Do we have textbook? No, we don't have textbook, guys. We don't have textbook. You can bring a notebook and write the things that teacher teach or whatever she's showing or he's showing in the board. It will be helpful for that time when you have to learn for exam, like with the notes that you can refer. I do that. It's very good that you have to write notes, but then you won't be having textbook just to in your school days. You won't be having textbooks like that in college. They won't give you textbook. Morning session is from 8 to 11:40 for me, and afternoon is 12:40 to 3:30 for me. I think it's different in science block because for them it starts at 9 at the morning. For me, it starts at 8. Yeah.
Some batches.
Some, yeah. Also, some batches are full day because they have to study a lot, I guess. And extracurricular activities. I know you guys were interested to hear. Light came. I know you guys are interested to hear the extracurricular activities. There's so many clubs in the college. So many. 1, 2, 3, 4, so much. You can just go check all the details in the Christogendy website because there's so much clubs like NCC, like dance, song, social activities. Oh, so much.
For every single
It will
one,
be-
they
it-
have a separate club.
Every single, like if dance separate, song separate, music. So about the clubs, they will give details in your Gmail from first year itself. So if you want to apply for any of those clubs, you can just apply in the register Gmail thing. They'll give register now something. It will all be in your LMS or LMS. LMS is a website for us students over here, which will be given to you when you come to our college. It's like where you find your notes. It's like a website where you find your notes about all the details, like, you know, we're advanced students, we're like technology, we're in 2026, so no notes, just technology. We are like seeing notes in our phone, laptop and all. So that's where you find your notes, LMS. And about the clubs, no, you will be having a Gmail when you come here, like separate Gmail for just Christogendy College. So in that, every details will be given for whatever you are, like whatever program is happening here, everything will be given in the Gmail. So yeah, you can just click Gmail, you will be knowing every updates happening in the college. Also, there is Ethnic Day, College Day. I think Ethnic Day and College Day is the most important things here, like a dance. So it's like events happen. Ethnic Day is full of like dance and you can see everything. Ethnic Day is in my Instagram. No, Ethnic Day vlog. I did Ethnic Day vlog in my YouTube channel. Make sure you check that out to see how Ethnic Day is. And College Day also, I did a vlog in my YouTube channel. So make sure you check that out to know what is happening in Ethnic Day and College Day. There's so much events happening in the college, intra and inter college fest, like so much fest happening. So if you want to be part of festing team or fest or anything, you just have to be extrovert. You just don't, okay, first thing, make sure you're not an introvert when you come to college. You have to be an extrovert. You have to be part in so many things. You have to be part in like, don't be scared and back. You don't be like, oh, I'm scared, I don't know what to do. Just don't do that. Please try and make sure, like if you fail also, just make sure you try, because why not? Just see if you're good at it. Also about sports, we have a separate sports arena near our college itself, and we have so many sports like basketball, football, cricket, everything. We have everything actually, badminton. So there's also a sports team in our college. So everything is there, to be honest, in our college. Nothing less, nothing more. Like canteens are there. I did a college tour also, so make sure you check that out too if you want to know what all is there in the college. If I miss something, guys, make sure you can comment down. Make sure you comment down and ask me. I'll be replying to your comments. And I don't think I missed out anything, because I did tell questions I got asked in by my juniors and seniors. Like PG students also came and asked me about so many details, like my PG hostels, placements, and okay, wait, one more question. One more thing that one person asked me is, how do you come here? Like from airport, I take an Uber, and from, if it's the railway station, I take an Uber. Uber is available here, so don't be worried. Don't be like, oh my god, how do I come to college? How do I reach my PG? Uber is here, guys. So you can just download the app Uber, and you know, it was safe. Till now, it's safe for me. Nothing happened. So just for you to know, there's no ragging in this college. Like, not at all. I was asked this question, was ragging in this college? Like, I was so shocked to get that question. Like, is ragging in this college? And she, that person was like, I heard some seniors telling that there is ragging and all. Ragging? I've never heard a word ragging in this college by any of my seniors or juniors. There's no ragging. Just don't worry about ragging. There's nothing. It's a safe environment, safe place. It's just so safe, guys, in the college. I guess, yeah. For me, it is still now. There is so many shops, restaurants, and everything, whatever you want, nearby the college itself. So you don't have to worry and be like, oh, I have to go far to buy things and all. No, everything is available near the college, like from food, shops, everything. So you don't have to worry about anything. And this is a like college locality itself, so everything you want will be here. So from PG, hostel, shops, restaurants, everything. I think I'm done because it's already time for us to go. And I'm if I missed out some things, you can just comment down. So I am winding up this video right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have more questions, you can just comment down and I'll be replying to it, or I'll be doing another video regarding this. So I hope you guys like this video. Until next time, bye.
Today I am her cameraman. Aldrin.
Enough. We don't have time.
She's holding me.
I'm learning my
I
script.
don't have time.
We don't have time. It's like 6 already. 6:30 something.
Who's she to tell me I don't have time? Okay. Look, okay. This is where she's sitting.
Oh.
No, just 1 or 2 mosquitoes. And she's all happy, like little next to her. And just look at them. They're attacking me.
I'm sorry. I'll buy you
All the
cutlet.
work. And then they're literally attacking me. Not a single mosquito is on her.
Maybe yours stink.
And she says it's my fault.